guys, and in today's video I'm going to be showing you my updated fire alarm system in my basement. So first off, we got this Simplex 4903 9238 in the main area here. And then in here we have my Simplex 4904 9176 15 candela strobe. And for my train layout room, I'm probably gonna buy a Simplex ceiling strobe, 4904 ceiling strobe for right here next to my Lithonia Lighting exit sign. And then over here in this bathroom, I'm probably just gonna put another 4904 strobe on this wall. And yeah, so if you have any recommendations for what I should put down here, please let me know in the comments, and I'll consider your options. And yeah, I'll see you in the next one.